So now the first thing that you're going to want to do, this is what threw me off, is make sure that your battery is all the way clicked in. You could put the battery in and close this without it being all the way in, but you want to push it till you hear that click. Now it clicked in. Now you're going to have to unfold it like this. And that's locked in there. And this threw me off too because I'm kind of short, so I wanted to use it like halfway extended, but it won't let you. You have to extend it fully before you could actually start cutting grass. So now it's fully extended. Choose the length you want. I like it all the way down so I don't have to cut my grass as often, but you could choose whatever length fits what you're trying to do. So now there's like 4 controls. This control is going to be your speed. That's going to be how fast the self-propel goes, and when it's all the way down, it does go pretty fast. So now there are these switches here. So if you just want to propel it forward, move it to the spot where you want to mow, you're only going to use these 2. So you do power, and once that's in, you could use this throttle, and it will start self-propelling. But if you actually want to cut grass and turn the blade on, you're going to need to use this. So you're going to do 3 steps. You're going to do in with the power, in with the bar, that turns on the mower. Now you can either just push it regularly, like a push mower, or use the throttle and use the speed and have this easy self-propelled. And then there we go. You'll see it cuts pretty wide, it cuts pretty good, and that's all you need to know on how to use this mower, how to get it started. I never mowed grass before, and I didn't know if I'd be able to do it, but it was super easy, just those steps. It was just a little confusing finding the sequence to do this. Now, when you're done, you're gonna wanna charge it. For me, honestly, my whole front and my whole back, one battery is not enough to charge to keep it going for one session, so it's kind of annoying because I'm halfway done, I'm all sweaty, and I have to charge it again. So I'll leave a link down below for an extra battery, because I would recommend having one charging while you are mowing. So you just take the battery out, and we're going to put it on the charger, and the charger is going to give you some information. So right now it says there's about 50% power, 75% power. There's a fan in it to keep it cool. When it's done charging, the fan will go off. It'll say 100%. Right now the fan's getting lower. And then your mower is charged and ready to go.